Hey friends from the Success Formula channel. Imagine there's a secret that's about to flip your life upside down. No, I'm not talking lottery or blind luck. I'm talking a real formula from Naval Ravikant, the legendary Silicon Valley entrepreneur who built his fortune without relying on random chance. Today, in the first episode of our Naval Almanack series, we're diving into how to build real wealth, not temporary cash, but assets that work for you even while you're sleeping. If you want to know how to find your unique knowledge and play long-term games with the right people, stick around till the end. Hit like and subscribe. Let's jump in. Guys, Naval says, wealth is assets that earn while you sleep, like a robot factory producing products. That means you don't build wealth with hourly grind. It's about deeply understanding how wealth gets created. Economics shows that wealth comes from creating value for others, not saving or fixed salaries. Naval puts it like this: getting rich is about knowing what to do, who to do it with, and when to do it. It's more about insight than raw hard work. Now let's hit that first golden tip. Understand how wealth is created. Naval says wealth is like a long-term game. If you're chasing status or quick bucks, you're set to lose. Instead, go for abundance. Something everyone can have without taking from someone else's pocket. For example, Apple created wealth with the iPhone, not by stealing from competitors. You can do the same by solving real problems. Like apps that make life easier. Psychology research shows people focused on abundance are 30% happier and more successful. Find and build specific knowledge. This is knowledge that's uniquely you. You can't learn it in school. It's like mixing your childhood passions with current skills. Naval himself blended physics, philosophy, and coding to invest in Uber. Science says specific skills lead to income 4 times faster. How to find it? List what you love, then see how it fits the market. For instance, if you're crazy about cooking and tech, build a food education app. Third tip, play long-term games with long-term people. Naval says, the rich play with people they'd still love in 100 years. That means real networking, not fake LinkedIn stuff. Harvard studies show long-term relationships are 50% of success. Start by helping others without expecting anything back. Luck will follow. And now take on accountability. Naval, owning outcomes makes you powerful. Instead of complaining about your boss, say, this project's mine, and take risks. Management science says accountable folks progress twice as fast. Whoa, that's just the start. Imagine if you could build equity in your own company and find magical leverage points. We'll cover exactly that in the next part. But first, drop a comment. Which tip are you trying today? Friends, that was the first part of Naval's wealth formula. If you loved it, like, share, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one, where we learn how to build judgment and hack luck. Stay awesome. See you soon.